Okay, so a little bit of what I got going on today. Installing some passive crossovers, or whatever you want to call them. Once I figure out how the hell to hook them up. One of my tweeters already mounted up here. Wire running through the back. Getting it ready to wire into this thing. And then, well, of course I gotta branch out the wires from there. However the hell I do that, I haven't really figured that part out yet. But yeah, it should be fun. Figure out a place to mount these and see how it sounds when I'm done. I'll get the other one down there. Hasn't been put on yet. Still in the bag down there. Yeah. Post another video once I got it all in and see how it sounds.